Hi guys! Kain tayo, lunchtime. Ang ulam namin ay sinigang na tilapay. This is our ulam guys. It's sinigang na tilapay. It's not a scary fish guys. It's delicious fish. We call it tilapia here in the Philippines. See, look at that. And then we have some sili. And then this is the kamyas. Ayan. Let's eat. Sili. Sana hindi siya masyadong maanghang. But I love maanghang din naman. Pero konti lang. Konti lang yung anghang, hindi yung super anghang. Sarap. Sarap ng asim. Bye!